to my channel. Today I have a video on how I did these jumbo passion twists. I have about 16-17 twists in my head, and it didn't take me long to do at all. It took me about an hour and 20 minutes, and I did take a break too, so it took no time at all. They are jumbo, so the parts are pretty huge, but this style is so cute. It's so lightweight and it's so summery. It's just one of those styles you can wake up and go. All I do is oil my scalp, and I take a spray bottle full of conditioner water and just spray my hair so it doesn't get dry, and that's it. It's a very low maintenance style. And yeah, this is my third time doing these twists, and I really love them. So yeah, guys, hopefully they last me another week or two. This is one of those styles where, even though this is about a week and a half after I did them, even though it's a little frizzy because I don't tie my hair up at night, don't be like me, tie your hair up, it'll last way longer. But even though it's getting a little frizzy, it's one of those styles where the messy look, it looks cuter as it gets frizzy. It doesn't look crazy. So yeah, if you guys want to watch me do this style, then keep on watching. The things you will need are 3 packs of hair. All you need is 3 packs for this look. I have the Water Wave in black, number 1. I have 2 packs of that, and I could not find this color in this brand, but it's the same, it'll blend. And I have a number 27, and then you're just gonna need some rubber bands, one of these brushes, some scissors. This is the best for braids. I love this stuff. And then maybe a brush. I use the very end of this to part my hair. And yeah, these are all the things you would need. Alright, you guys, so here I took all the hair out of the packs and I put them on my bed to get ready to separate them into how many I need for each twist. Alright, you guys, I had an issue with one of the clips, but all you missed was me separating my hair from ear to ear at the very bottom and separating that section into 3. And then I put the rubber bands on them, and I'm taking my Lotta Body moisturizer and moisturizing my hair and then stretching out my curl. You want to make sure your hair is very moisturized. Even though I moisturize my hair while I end the twist, make sure you moisturize before you start twisting your hair. So I moisturize it with the moisturizer, and then I take my Shine and Jam and go over that so my hair will be more sticky. Because if my hair curls back up like it normally would, it'll stick out in the twist. So that's what I'm doing, just stretching out my curl and moisturizing my hair. And here I start grabbing the hair. I use about 3 pieces of the pre-sectioned out pieces of hair in the pack for each twist. Here I have about 2, but you'll see me grab one more in a second because it didn't look like enough hair. And then I start fluffing it out. Don't completely destroy the curl, just fluff it out, make it fluffy. I'm just running my fingers through it to just fluff out the little curls. And here's where you have to kind of pay attention to see what I'm doing. I'm making a little loop. I put the rubber band loose so I can make this little hole so I can stick the hair through. If you know how to use a crochet needle, I strongly suggest you use a crochet needle. Me and crochet needles do not get along. They just don't work for me. I don't know how to use them. They just don't. Every time I try to put the hair through, it opens. It was a disaster trying to use a crochet needle. But if you can use a crochet needle, I strongly suggest you use a crochet needle. I just loop the hair through, and then when the hair is through, I pull it tight. So that's how it gets tightened. And then I take some Shine and Jam my hands and I start twisting. I just found that this method works better for me. It's quicker. Even though a crochet needle might be quicker for you, by all means use a crochet needle if you can. I just had to improvise. And here you will see me start twisting. Twist very tight, and do not forget to use the Shine Jam because you're gonna need that extra hold. to keep the twist intact. And as you can see toward the very top of my twist, my real hair, that red hair, that's my real hair, started to try to come out. And that is the importance of the shine jam. So I have to go back and retwist it using more jam to hold the twist. So if you have curly hair or if your hair is long, use the shine jam. Use a lot of it to make sure your hair stays intact inside that twist. And here I'm just repeating the process again with the last two twists I have on that same row. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch. And I am finally done, you guys. I love doing this style. It's so quick and easy, and it took no time at all. These twists last about 2 weeks, and as you can see, I was so excited to be done. So thank you guys for watching.